Hello, what's up guys? My name is Ahmed Ali and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. I am back with another video with a part 2 in which I'm gonna tell you the new best iPhone tips and tricks that you should know in the 2020. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please share, comment and hit the like button. Alright guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Alright guys, here we have our first tip about assistive touch. When you buy a new iPhone, you don't have enabled assistive touch. It's very useful option and you can enable it by just going into settings, in general and accessibility, and you can find here assistive touch like this. You can turn it on. By default it is off, mine is on, and you can customize it as well. I'm going to modify some of the shortcuts that I mostly used in my iPhone. You can do it as you want. Just press on the icon and modify a function with your favorite one. The basic purpose of this function is to increase the usability of your device. You can add more icons or you just can remove them. Here you can see you can take a quick screenshot and a recent apps option without using a buttons combination. The next tip comes for the Safari native video player. As you can see that we cannot rewind video or skip the video with a 15-second margin. So there's a tip: you can rewind or forward your video by just keep pressing on the 15-second forward or rewind button, and your video will be skipped or rewind with a 1 second margin. The next tip is for the browsing. This is a very useful but as well as small tip. It's just we need to get into the browser, and if you want to hit some sites, so you can get in very quickly by just keeping it on the dot button, and you can get different domain suggestions to get into the site very quickly. Before that, I didn't know how to get the degree and the currency signs, so I thought it's a useful tip you need to know. Here we have another tip which is called EQ or equalizer. The basic purpose of this tip is to increase your volume of the speaker as compared to the default sound. To do that, just get into the settings and go for music and just tap on the EQ. And let me hear you the default sound of your speakers. As you can hear, that was the default sound. Now it's time to increase the sound. Just get into the settings at the specified location and tap on the late night, and here we see. The last tip is reducing white point. What is white point? To know that, just get into the settings and get into the general accessibility and tap on display accommodations and turn on reduce white point. You can set the amount how much you want to reduce your brightness. Basic purpose of this tip is to reduce the brightness of your device than the default brightness. It is very useful because it helps to save your eyes when we use the phones at the night time. That's it for the now guys. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please share it with your friends as well, and let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you so much.